Hello everybody, you know what time it is. It's Wednesday. So nice to have you again. So if this is your first time, where have you been? Hit the subscribe button so you can see more of me. So this video is this look and I'm loving it. Make sure to thumbs up, share if you enjoyed this video, and let's get into it. First I apply my primer and then I brush my eyebrow. After which I use my eyebrow stencil to trace my eyebrows. I find it helpful in achieving even brows as the struggle is real, like seriously. Next, I apply my concealer. This helps to give a clean look to my brows, and then I blend it in. Next, I apply my eyeshadow base to my lids. And what this does is it helps my eyeshadow stick to my lids and allows it last longer. Now I'm going to apply my eyeshadow and I'll be using the Revolution Blush Palette. Yes, guys, the Revolution Blush Palette. And the first color is just for the inner corners of my lid, till about the middle of my lid. After which I then apply the second shade from the middle to my outer corners of my lid. Next, I'm going to use a brown shade as my transitioning color. After which I apply a black shadow to the outer corners, and then I blend it with the brown shade just to intensify my crease a little, just a little bit. Next, I will be applying my eyeliner. And I usually use the top of my brush to create a wing. I find it easier for me. So I decided to add a little more dark eyeshadow. And for my bottom lash line, I'll be using a Ginkgo shade green to line my lash line. Now I'm going to apply my foundation and then blend it in. After which I apply a little amount of my powder bronzer to contour my face. And now it's time to bake my face. And then I apply my blush to highlight my cheeks. After which, I apply my lip liner in a shade Burgundy. And then I apply my lipstick. Next, I will be applying my highlighter, and I'll be highlighting the bridge of my nose, my cheekbone, my brow bone, and the tip of my nose. And finally, it's time to apply my setting spray. And oh, I almost forgot. And now, here is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share, like. I'll see you guys next week, Wednesday. You know I love you, but God loves you best.